welcome back to another episode of Drinking with Trippy. Gotta like these drinks. Whew. So today, I just need a little drink to sip on while I'm watching some Netflix. So we're gonna make an electric screwdriver. Hell yeah. I bet, it sounds like it's gonna be tasty. I bet it's gonna be tasty. So I just hold tight. Okay, so how are we making an electric screwdriver? We're gonna get the good old Southern Comfort out. Good old Southern Comfort. We're going to do a shot of Southern Comfort. This is a shot and a half glass. I'm going to do a shot of Southern Comfort. That is in there. And we have some Amaretto. We're going to do 2 shots of Amaretto. Two shots of Amaretto. Done. And there you go. There you have it. No, I'm joking. There's probably a drink out there called that. Then you're going to get your good old OJ, any kind of OJ. We have the Minute Maid kind here. And then you're going to fill it up to taste. Now, because it's 11 a.m. in the morning, you know, I don't want to get too crap-faced. So, I'm just going to fill it up a little bit. Well, most of the way, I guess. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. And we have the electric screwdriver. It smells not bad. If it smells not bad, it could taste 50-50. I should have made like 5 of these. Okay. The next drink I'm making is one of these because it's just the bomb. Shiggity diggity diggity dog. If you get bad heartburn like me, that's gonna kill it. But it's okay. It's well worth it because it tastes so damn dynamite. I highly recommend that one if you guys have stuff. If you have Amaretto kicking around, Southern Comfort, and some OJ, I highly recommend trying that one out. As I always say, make sure, if you don't like it or if you like it, it's okay. But please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay drinking electric screwdrivers, y'all. Cheers.